Good day, ma'am. I am Mona Lisa P. Fuentespina, a first-year AB English student. This report is the continuation of IB Carcelier's report entitled Coordination. In IB's report, she already gave the meaning of the word coordination. It came from a Latin word concilo inito, which means join together. It is a syntactic structure that joins two or more elements called conjoins and conjuncts. It also has three structures of coordination. First is synthetic. The structure is said to be synthetic if the elements are joined by coordinating conjunctions. Second is the asynthetic. The structures is asynthetic when the coordinators are not necessarily present but could be inserted. Lastly is the polysynthetic. Polysynthetic is when the coordinators is recurring between each pair. In synthetic, you can use connectors such as and, but, or to join the blocks. For example, the cat sat on the mat and the dog chased its tail. So we have the connector and. Second is synthetic. You just put the blocks together with no connectors at all. For example, the cat sat on the mat, the dog chased its tail. Lastly is polysynthetic. You use the same connector over and over. For example, the cat sat on the mat and the dog chased its tail, and the bird sang a song. So as you can see, the word and were repeated. So that's all po. That's where our presentation will end. I hope you learn and understand something, even though our explanation is just kinda short. Thank you.